Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. We are going to open the Fat Quarter Sew Sampler box for August. And it is August. So they got caught up. We're now not a month behind, at least as of this moment, even though it's towards the end of the month. I'm still really happy to see that they're getting caught up. So we're going to see what's in this month's box. And it says cute as a button is what's first thing in here. Lori Holt of Be In My Bonnet Notions. You get a promo code, and looks like it's for, not sure what it's for, but 25% off. There you go. So that's on their website. You have the code that comes in your packet. First thing I see is the little description on what this is. So cute as a button. This one is Lori Holt by Riley Blake Designs. We get, what kind of fabric have we got? Jolly Bar. So I'll tell you what that is in just a minute. They're 5x10 cuts, so it's half of a layer cake. So I'll show you that fabric is last because that's cool. Stitch, cute little button bag. Oh wait, that's not it. What is this? There we go, tiny trinket tin. So this looks like it opens up. It's in the plastic. I won't bother with all the noise to open it, but that's what that is. This little tin is $5.98. It's the perfect place to stash your sewing bits and bobbins. So very cute little metal tin. And then we have pastel slap wrist peels. So that's what this is by Gypsy. And to make it fit in the box, it looks like they have to curl it. So it has a pen and a bunch, how many? Three of these. And I have something similar to this that's a magnetic thing, but you just put it on your wrist and it won't work because there are 3 of them at a time. But this is what that is. And oh, cool. They're using it to wrap up things that roll. So they have put it on like their batting or anything that's long and cylinder, because this will roll around it, or you can use it on your wrist. But the pen is so you can mark on it what it is. Use the bonus heat erasable pen to label them. Pop them on thread cones and triangles on a roll to keep them from unraveling. Interesting. So it's called a slap and wrap peel. I've only seen these, thinking of them as bracelets, but this is actually to help organize your round things that want to roll off. Cool. So the value on this is $17.98. Okay, and then we have buttons. Buttons. So it's Stitch Cute Little Button Bag by Lori Holt. It doesn't surprise me, she's all about buttons, and these are cute. They're just the thing to spruce up your next sewing project or simply spice up your sewing room by adding cute, colorful accent. It comes from Be In My Bonnet. It includes a mix of 75 buttons in 3 different sizes and styles that come in a variety of charming colors. Anywhere you add them is sure to look as cute as these buttons. So these could probably even go in my little tin. I don't know, I might want to see them. Okay, so that one is $13.98 for those buttons. We have a pattern called In Stitches. That's cute. Okay, so the pattern retails for $9.98. Bonus size option included. And it takes, oh, that was not good. It takes the fabric that they sent, but I don't see anything specific to tell me. Yeah, 5x10 pieces. I have a dog. I don't know if you heard her. One of 2. Alright, so this is really pretty. I think this would be simple, meaning it shouldn't be too challenging to work with. What you need for the throw quilt is 1 Stitch Jolly Bar, which they have actually included in here. We're going to open that up. And backing and background. If you want to do a laptop quilt, just double it. That's easy. Alright, so the big unveiling is the fabric. This is by Lori Holt. We're going to just peel this open. So we did some talking about pre-cuts in different sizes. This is an exclusive size to this store. So the Sewing Sampler, which is by Fat Quarter Shop, right there, they will hand cut these, and so they are making these, and to my knowledge anyway, you can't buy this size anywhere, but it's a 5 by 10, so it's half of a 10 by 10 square. And just to give you an example, here's a 10 by 10, so it's exactly half of one of those, and they've rolled it up. So it's cute. Alright, I don't want to open it because I don't want to lose what's in here. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see just the colors that are in here. We have lots of pretty colors. And that is the main print. And I'm not doing a very good job today at showing you any of the fabrics because I don't want to unravel them. They never go back in. But look how cute. That's just, I'm just kind of thumbing through, skipping some as I go, so you're not seeing all of them. But look how cute. Okay, cute. Now does this say how many? There's quite a few here. 42. It is exactly half of a layer cake. 42. Nice. So this and this are what you need to build this, other than some backing and background fabric. I might actually make this one. Usually I just hold on to the fabric and the patterns, but I'm really intrigued with that one. So anyway, I like it. One last thing that's in here is we have Bright Side has their block of the month, and this is block number 5, and it's a heart with a 4 patch in the middle. Cute. Again, I'm just holding on to these. I know there's a finishing kit that goes with this. I haven't gotten all the blocks, and I'm not real big on sampler quilts, so if I use these, I'll probably do, you know, like the whole quilt, or at least like a row of the same block versus a true sampler like this is intended, but I really like to get the patterns and hold on to those. So there we go. This is Quilt Along is retailed at $4.98. And I believe I paid $49 for this. I'm really drawing a blank on this, ladies. So, oh, at the Jolly Roll, $18.98. I think I've covered all my bases. So let's get the calculator and see how we did value-wise on this one. We have $18.98 plus $13.98 plus $17.98 plus $5.98 plus $9.98 plus $4.98. So $71.88 is the retail value of all the items that are in this box, and I got it for under $50 plus tax. So check it out. Go to Fat Quarter Shop. There we go. I'll put the link below. And I love it when these little boxes come. So hopefully if you have subscribed, give me your input on what you think on this box. And if you haven't, go join so that you can get one of these cool little boxes at your mail. Thanks for joining. Have a great day. Bye-bye.